Good morning, dear children. We'll start the first lesson, Human Body Food We Eat. Previously, I had given you notes on this lesson and I had tried to explain you. Today, I will explain you verbally. First of all, importance of food. Why do we need food? All living things need food. Not only we, all the living things in this world, they need food. Food gives us energy. Food fights from different types of diseases in our body. It helps to stay healthy and fight against the diseases. It also keeps our body warm. Not only we human beings, all the living things in this world need food to live. And from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Now, this is the importance of food. That without food, living things, they are not able to survive. They need food. Without food, they cannot survive. And we get food from plants and animals. Now come to the next, that is the component of food. We eat a variety of food. Variety of foods have its own functions. Whatever the food we eat, all the foods, they have different functions in the body. So we say it as components of food. Components of foods are divided into following categories. That is carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, fats, water and roughage. See, I have already written here. See this one. Components of food. Food is divided into these following groups: carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, roughage and water. Now first come to the carbohydrate. Why do we need carbohydrate? Which type of people need carbohydrate? First of all, what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is an energy giving food which helps to do the work. If we have energy in the body, then only we can do the work. No, if we don't have energy, we are not able to stand up also. Therefore, we need carbohydrate in our diet because it gives us energy. And in carbohydrate, sugar and starch are present. Is it okay? Which type of people need carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is needed by the people like labor class people, farmers, sportmen, rickshaw pullers, who all does the work, who all uses their muscles to do their hard work. They need carbohydrate in their diet. Like farmers, you know that farmers, they do so much work in the field with their hands. Laborers, sportmen, so they all do the physical work. These people, they all do physical work, therefore carbohydrate is needed in more amount to these all people. And carbohydrates are of two types, that is starch, sugar and starch. Now you see here, sugar and starch. Fruits like mangoes, bananas, grapes and apples are a good source of sugar. This means the food which are sweet in taste, they have more sugar content in it. Like mangoes, you know, they are very sweet. Apples, grapes, bananas, they are sweet in taste. So they have more sugar in it. Now come to the cereals which we take like rice, wheat and maize. They are more in starch. Therefore, whenever you wash rice, you will see a white type of substance comes out. That is known as the starch of the cereal. Potatoes, rice, wheat and maize are some examples of starch-rich food. So working people like laborers, farmers, sportsmen, rickshaw pullers, they do lot of physical work. Therefore, these people need more carbohydrate in their body than the other people because they do the physical work more than the other people. See what are the foods. Here diagram is also there. See, bread is there, potatoes are there, sugar cane is there, these all bananas are there, different types of cereals are there. These foods are more in carbohydrates. Now come to the next one, that is fat. Fat also gives us energy. See what fat gives us. Fat also gives us energy. Ghee, butter, cheese, nuts, they contain fats. How do we use fat? See, we use fat in our body. Fat can be stored for a long time because fat takes time to digest. Therefore, it is stored for long time. But we should take fat in less quantity in our diet because fat, excess of fat will make us bulky. Our body will be very fat and we will be not able to do the work. Therefore, excess fat gets deposited in our body for further use. Whenever we have less carbohydrate in our diet, then this energy giving food, this fat which is stored in our body, works as an energy giving food in our body. Is it clear, children? Now, after this, we will come to protein. What is protein? Why do we need protein? Proteins are called bodybuilding food. Why it is called bodybuilding food? Because growing children need lot of protein in their diet. Because when a baby is born, a baby grows day by day, and becomes a full grown person. And how does it becomes? It has protein in its diet. Protein in its diet helps child in the growth in their body. Next is protein helps in the repair, wear and tear of our body cell. Means, a small example I will give. If you have fallen down and there is a cut in your skin is torn. After few days you will see there will be a wound. After few days you will see that wound will be okay and your skin will be joined there. That is known as wear and tear. When your skin is joined there, this means that the body has protein in its body. The body has protein in its diet, and this protein helps to repair the body cell. New body cells comes and the skin is attached to it. Therefore, proteins are very important for us. Sometimes people, you will see, they will have fractures in their bones. When they have fracture in their bones, then what happens? When they have fractures in their bone, after the plaster, after a few days the bones are attached. And how it is attached? Due to the protein in their diet, the bones, from the bones a type of juice comes out and which attaches the bones, and the bones are attached. Proteins help in muscles, skin, hair and nails. Young children needs more protein than adult because their body is still growing. Milk, cheese, pulses, paneer, egg, beans, peas and fish are good source of protein. See the protein diet. See here, these all are the protein diets. Fish, milk, all the dairy products, meat and all. These all pulses, different type of pulses, cheese. These all are protein They are rich in protein. Growing children need more protein. Now see here what I have written. Protein. Bodybuilding food. It is good for growing children, repairs damaged body parts, and present in fish, meat, egg, dairy products of milk. Is it clear? After this, we'll come to vitamins. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, they are also called protective food because they protect our body from different types of diseases and keeps us fit. It helps to fight from the diseases. Although they are required in small amount, we take in small amount, but they are very important for us because they helps in fighting from the diseases in our body. See, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, these all are essential vitamins. Vitamin A is very good for your eyesight as it helps in good vision. So where vitamin A are found? Vitamin A's are found in milk, egg, pumpkin, carrot, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C. Vitamin C keeps our gums and teeth healthy. It is present in sour fruits like orange, lemon. Sour fruit, you understand, no? Which fruit is little bit bitter. It does not have very sweet taste. That foods are known as sour foods. Vitamin C is present. It is good for gums and teeth. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a very essential for healthy bones. Sunlight. It is good source of vitamin D. We must spend some time playing in the sun. Vitamin D is present in sun. Whenever we go out, we should have some sun bath always. And vitamin D is present in the sunlight. Is it clear? Now you come to calcium, iron and iodine. Calcium is very important for the formation of bones. It is present in milk and curd. Iron helps in the formation of blood like green leafy vegetables. Iron is present in green leafy vegetables. Iodine. Iodine is very important for the growth and development of the brain. Therefore, iodine is we use salt in our food and seafoods. They are very rich in iodine. We must use iodine rich salt in our food. So, iodine is important for the growth and development of brain. Iron is important for the formation of blood. Calcium is important for the formation of teeth and bones. Vitamin D is essential for the healthy bones. Vitamin C is important for gums and teeth. And vitamin A is important for the healthy skin. So today up to here only I will end up, and whichever the notes I have given you, already I have given you in PDF file the notes of this all vitamins, protein, then fats, carbohydrates. So please revise that one and learn it, the important points. Thank you. Next class I will take your roughage and so on. Thank you, children.